my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am here with a Maurices haul. I got in the mood. I actually went to a store instead of ordering online all the time. So this bag is pretty full. I think I did really well. Now, some things I got on sale and some things I actually did pay full price, which is very unlike me, which means that I must have really liked it. So let's go ahead and see what I got. Now, I had to walk through the Ross store, and I saw in the jewelry case a pair of earrings. Oh, I have a Maurices rewards card. Very exciting. And if you are military, first responder, a nurse, a doctor, essential services, military, veteran, any of those things, right now they're running 10% off of everything. If you are any of those. So I thought that was pretty cool. Okay, so the first thing I got was at Ross. And it even comes with a little box. I have no idea what it says. Olivia and Jackson. I never looked in the jewelry case. There's not really anything super special in the jewelry case. But nice enough. So, oh, that's stuck back there. I didn't realize until after I got it that it also included the necklace, which is kind of a bonus. So I got this set for $19.99. Hold on a second. Okay. I thought it was super pretty. This is definitely something I would wear. Here's the back of the earrings. Very nice. So I got that for $19.99 at Ross. I was actually surprised, the jewelry that they... Oh, hold the phone! There's a stone missing. Which one is it? This one. Very top one. There's a stone missing. Ah! That means I have to go back. Alright, save the receipt. And I will be taking it back. How come she didn't look at it? Okay, Maurices. There's other stuff in there too. So, okay. The jacket. Got this nice denim jacket. Has kind of like a utility or carpenter kind of vibe to it. And then on the back it has some gathering. And I did pay full price for this, and this was $49.90. Now if you're a first responder or military or essential worker, you would get 10% off of that. So that's like $5. So that's the jacket. Now this shirt was on sale. They were, one was $11.98. The Tahoe Blue. This one was $11.98. I did get it on clearance. Has kind of a high-low deal. The sleeves are nice and long, the way I like. and I got it in a size large. So I have that. This shirt, I believe, is $24.90. So I did pay full price for this. But look how beautiful. I just thought it was so pretty. And it has the same longer sleeves. And it's really long. And you know, a few videos ago I said, I think I'm done with leggings. But I've been pulling for them lately in my closet. So that tells me I'm not done wearing leggings yet. So, and especially with something like this would be so cute with a pair of leggings. And a new pair of jeans. These are, these are M jeans. They're in the size 12. And they are the slim boot, curvy, high-rise. That is everything I want in a jean. And they were only $29.90. And so I like the subtle design on the back. Don't want anything too flashy. If you have a big butt, you don't want rhinestones and stuff on it for everybody to, you know, to say, everybody come look at my rhinestone butt that's this big. I shouldn't say that. So when you have a larger behind, it's best to keep your pockets plain so that if you have rhinestones and stuff, it draws the eye right to your behind. Now, if you are proud of your behind, then by all means. Okay, so let's go ahead and try these on. And I know who would like these jeans and who would probably look very good in them. And I even bet you she'd be able to go down one size in these jeans, because I've gained 10 pounds back, but she is looking great. So I bet you she could go down a size. Is Gina from Unboxing Discovery by G. So it's not something I say all the time. So yeah, she would probably love these. So let's go ahead and try these on. So here is that blue striped t-shirt that I got on clearance for $11 and some odd cents. Now they do have different patterns available. They have tanks available as well. But yeah, I really like it. It's very soft and it feels like a good quality. You know, like in some of these clothing delivery services that I've been working with, some of this super soft, stretchy stuff is cheap. I mean, now I can see the difference, because this feels quality. This is really, really nice. But I like the cloud splatter pattern. I don't know what kind of a pattern that is, with plain white stripes and the deep scoop neck. I love the baseball hem. You know, the baseball uniform hem. I like that hem. It's really nice. So now we're going to talk about the pant. Okay, so here are the jeans. I really, really like the jeans. I like the length. They'll fit over my boots really nice. They probably could be hemmed a little bit, which now that I have my handy dandy sewing machine, I can do that with ease. I love them. They're so comfortable. They're high rise. My belly button is right here. I have a pretty high belly button. Wow, like regular pockets. Yes, love them. All right, I'm going to show you my next shirt. This is the jacket I was telling you about. Very utilitarian look to it, carpenter kind of, you know, farmer. The sleeves are long enough to where you could probably, oh, look at the design. I just noticed it. I love it. Which would make rolling it up not a good idea because you would crimp that unless you just roll it up once. I love it. So I am in love with this jacket, paid 50 bucks for it. I think it's a good investment. It's real stretchy, nice. And if I want to wear like a small sweater or a long sleeve shirt in here, there's plenty of room in the sleeves. Yep, love it. So the shirt, I love this shirt. Isn't it cute? See how it would be perfect with leggings because the back is so much longer? I love it. This one was $24.90. I really like it. And that is what I got on my shopping trip. I am very glad that you came by to see what I got at Maurice's. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.